Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to talk about the Vernie leather pieces that are coming out January the 1st. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Okay besties, before we get started, yes, I put up a post. I have been basically going back and forth with this decision. Altogether, guys, I have 86 handbags in my collection, and that's me including my mini bum bag, but I might as well just say it's not mine anymore. So that's why I put 85, because my daughter has it and I don't think I'm getting it back, okay? But I want to keep 25. I want to keep 25, and I am going to do a clean sweep. I want to do 25, and I don't know if I'm going to repurchase more handbags, put it in my savings. I don't know what I'm going to do. But at the moment, these handbags, like I said, are sitting, and it's just basically driving me nuts. And so for the new year, that's something that I want to do for myself. So I am going to go through, and I'm just going to get rid of them. Please do not email me telling me your budget, because I am not selling my handbags according to your budget. I have been receiving emails already and DMs. I'm not going according to your budget. I'm just letting you know now, and I'm being direct and straightforward so we won't have any confusion, okay? But yes, I am getting rid of most of my handbags in my collection, okay? Okay, so now that we have that out the way, just speaking on my handbags, let's talk about this Vernie leather collection that's coming out January the 1st. So if you are a fan, if you are a collector, here is your opportunity to purchase. Release date, launch date, January the 1st. I think these handbags are absolutely adorable. I had a few Vernie leather pieces and also SLG's Alma BB handbags, but I sold all of them because they were sitting. I never used them. I even had the fleecy handbag, the crossbody handbag, and it just sat. So I got rid of that entire collection and I was done with it. But this is absolutely adorable. The first one is this beautiful blue here. First thing I see, of course, is the gold hardware, the gold chain strap, the gold studs on the vachetta. This is going to be very cute, but I know once we get these prices, guys, it's going to change our mind. I'm not sure why they have this hair clamp, on the tote handle. I don't know what that is going to be, but I am so curious because I love creativity. So I am very curious on how that is going to look and if we are able to add it to different handbags in our collection. The inside interior, good job LV. It's the smooth microfiber material that we all love, and of course it comes with a side pocket that we can use. And I love, they usually have a vachetta tab inside, but I love how they have that material that, you know, where it tells you where it's made, where it's manufactured. I love that it matches the outside of the bag. So that was creative as well, because they could have just made it vachetta to match the trimming and the handle, but they didn't. And of course it comes with a vachetta strap as well, detachable and adjustable. We can take that strap right on off if we feel that, you know, we have too much vachetta. We can change that, okay? But you have to be careful, guys, okay? You have to be careful because this is not treated vachetta. I see us using bandos for this handbag, most definitely. The product code number M24062. The next is the beautiful pink. This is like a Barbie pink. For you that loves pink and you collect pink handbags, this is right up your alley. This is very, very beautiful. I love this more than the blue. It just stands out a lot more with the vachetta trimming. So if you are a fan of the color pink, this is something that you probably want to pay attention to. Launch date is January the 1st. Product code number is M90611. And inside of this handbag, the inner lining matches the outside of the handbag, that beautiful pink color. And it also has the monogram canvas piece for the side pocket. So this is totally different than the first handbag that I showed you. So they most definitely added some more creativity to this handbag. I'm not sure why they didn't go all out on the blue, but this pink is so beautiful. I love just that monogram canvas piece that they place inside, and that the inner lining is still microfiber material and it matches the handbag. Of course, steel vachetta, you have to be careful. Gold hardware, and I just love that clip that they have on the tote handle in pink. So very beautiful. I love this LV gold chain strap. You guys know they have been adding gold chain straps to all of their handbags. We honestly are now just going to have to get used to it. It's a thing and it's not going anywhere. The next, I wasn't too fond of this color, but the yellow, I'm not sure, but I'm not too fond of it. But I did notice once I looked at this and I compared it to the other handbags, this is treated vachetta. This is treated vachetta. The other two, the pink and blue, is not treated vachetta, but this is treated vachetta, and I think that was amazing that they did this, because the lighter, you know, vachetta wouldn't go, you know, it wouldn't go too well with this yellow. But this is absolutely gorgeous, but not as gorgeous as the pink. It doesn't stand out. It doesn't scream see me, okay? That's all I'm saying. But it's still very beautiful, and I'm so glad, like I said, they went with the treated vachetta versus just the vachetta. The gold studs actually stand out more on the treated vachetta. Also, I'm assuming that the inside, I don't have a picture of the inside, but I'm assuming hopefully it has the monogram canvas piece inside as well as a side pocket. I'm still going to do a little bit of digging. I'm not sure why they skipped out on the blue and didn't add that monogram piece, okay, as a side pocket. I know a lot of you guys will want that. It just, I don't know, it just seems boring, okay? So let me know if you would be interested in any of these. Like I said, this is for those that love collecting the Vernie leather, SLGs, handbags. I'm pretty sure the SLGs will be rolling out next, okay? And we also, oh, I didn't give you the product code number. Let me give you the product code number so you can let your CAs know. For the yellow is M24063. Again, once we have pricing, I will be sure to share that information with you. And next, the Vuitton PM. I'm noticing, guys, I'm guessing this is a new thing for the new year. They are rolling out with this Vuitton handbag, the MM size and also the PM. This is different. This is very different. Look at that chain strap. Look at the chain strap. So this is in the blue with the vachetta trimming and also with the chain strap, guys. You will be able to use a chain strap, you know, as a tote as well. So again, they're adding these chain straps and they are going up on these prices. The product code number for the blue is M24021. This is adorable. It is. And guys, you see how this blue has the monogram side pocket? Why they didn't include that on the Alma BB? That's strange. And even the inside lining matches the outside of the bag. So I don't know, maybe they made the blue Alma BB first, and then while they were in the production stage, they decided to do that with the pink, and they just didn't have time to go back and change. I don't know, I'm trying to give them an excuse, but I think they need to go back to the drawing board and they need to include that monogram side pocket and change that interior color, okay? They did it right here with the Vuitton PM. Next, we have the yellow. Again, I'm just not sure how I feel about the yellow, and this doesn't look like treated vachetta. So the Alma BB has treated vachetta and this does not. You can use the chain strap as stated earlier to convert and use this as a tote. The inside lining matches the outside of the handbag, and it has that monogram pocket as well. I really do think that they just missed out. I think they really did miss out with that blue. They just wasn't thinking clear, but we need to go back and change that, LV. We need that inside lining because so many of you guys love that blue. I've been seeing it on Instagram and they need to make some changes, okay? So guys, let me know, is this something that you are interested in? Like I said, I know I have a lot of people that I follow on Instagram that collects Vernie leather handbags. Even from back then, I've seen the Alma PM a lot in the Vernie leather. So let me know if this is something that you are interested in. Just get ready, because for the new year, LV is launching so many hot pieces. So if you have handbags sitting in your collection that you are no longer using, or you just haven't used yet, guys, sell them, get rid of them. And you know, pre-orders is going to open in December, 30 days out. You guys know how pre-orders work. So take these product code numbers down, send them to your SA, your CA, guys, whoever, however you identify them as, CA, SA, your go-to person. Find someone on Instagram and get the pre-order in and already have the money, because you sold the bags that have just been sitting there and you're not using them. So we have to think smart about this. And like I said, I am getting rid of some of my handbags because I'm just not using them. I don't know what I'm going to do, but no longer sitting, guys. Let's do that. Even the bandos. If you are not a guitar strap collector and your Alma BB came with a guitar strap, guys, get rid of the guitar strap. If you purchase a fragrance you haven't used yet, or you purchase 2 fragrances, the same fragrance, and you have one that's just sitting there, guys, get rid of it. The same with the SLGs, okay? That's the exact same thing happened to me. I had 53 SLGs. I purchased the Brazil wallet. It was no need for me to even have all those SLGs. Get rid of them, okay? Get rid of them. You can join my Facebook group, guys. I will have it linked in the description box. Go to the group and sell those handbags, okay? So again, let me know if you are interested in any of these Vernie leather handbags. I would like to know. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.